Swimming, often referred to as the perfect exercise, transcends its recreational allure to become a therapeutic and holistic activity. Beyond the splashes and rhythmic strokes, swimming immerses individuals in a world where physical and mental well-being converge. This article explores the myriad benefits of swimming, ranging from cardiovascular health to mental rejuvenation. Physical fitness. Swimming stands out as an exemplary full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. The resistance of water amplifies the effort required, leading to enhanced strength, flexibility, and endurance. The fluidity of motion in water reduces impact on joints, making it an ideal exercise for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. From a gentle breaststroke to an intense butterfly stroke, the versatility of swimming ensures that it accommodates various fitness goals. Cardiovascular health. Swimming is renowned for its cardiovascular benefits, promoting a healthy heart and circulatory system. The rhythmic nature of swimming improves blood flow, reducing the risk of heart disease and lowering blood pressure. The aerobic nature of swimming also contributes to increased lung capacity, enhancing respiratory function. As a low-impact exercise, swimming offers an accessible avenue for individuals with conditions such as arthritis or joint pain to improve their cardiovascular health without placing undue stress on their bodies. Weight management. Swimming is an effective ally in the pursuit of weight management. The combination of calorie burning and muscle toning makes it an efficient way to shed excess pounds. Moreover, the buoyancy of water lessens the impact on joints, making swimming a sustainable exercise for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight over the long term. Whether engaging in leisurely laps or high-intensity interval training, HIIT, sessions, swimming proves to be a versatile tool for weight control. Stress reduction and mental wellness. Beyond its physical benefits, swimming offers a unique mental sanctuary. The soothing sensation of water and the rhythmic flow of swimming create an environment conducive to stress reduction and mental relaxation. The repetitive nature of strokes encourages mindfulness, allowing swimmers to escape the chaos of daily life and find a serene space for self-reflection. The release of endorphins during swimming further contributes to improved mood, making it an effective remedy for stress, anxiety, and depression. Social and recreational aspects. Swimming is not just a solitary pursuit, it also fosters a sense of community and camaraderie. Whether participating in water aerobics, joining a swim team, or attending a water fitness class, individuals can connect with like-minded enthusiasts. This social aspect enhances the overall experience of swimming, turning it into a recreational activity that brings people together. In the vast realm of physical activities, swimming stands out as a holistic and therapeutic pursuit. Its benefits extend beyond the physical, encompassing mental well-being, cardiovascular health, and weight management. As a low-impact exercise suitable for individuals of all ages, swimming opens the door to a world of aquatic possibilities. Whether gliding through serene waters or engaging in lively water aerobics, the therapeutic joy of swimming is a testament to its enduring popularity and timeless appeal. Dive in, and let the waves of well-being carry you to a healthier and happier you.